Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about ClickBank. This is going to be a beginner's guide to get started, how to set up your ClickBank account, how to get started with affiliate marketing, all that good stuff, and how to make money online. That's the huge thing you'll see YouTubers and TikTokers talk about. Oh, you got to do affiliate marketing. Well, how do you do it? So that's what we're going to be talking about today, how to make thousands of dollars. So guys, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's jump into this here. So ClickBank, what is ClickBank? So ClickBank is an affiliate partner. ClickBank is kind of that middle ground where they actually work with other companies. Companies come to ClickBank because they want to sell products online. And so you're pretty much going to be a salesman for these companies. That's how affiliate marketing works. So affiliate marketing involves promoting products, services through a unique affiliate link. So when someone clicks on it, buys through your link, you get a little bit of a commission. That's how it works. It's like a car salesman, but online. So you guys, if you're just getting started here with ClickBank, or maybe you already have a YouTube channel or a TikTok, I would highly recommend choosing a niche that kind of meets your content that you guys create. And if you don't create content, this is your first step to do so. I would highly recommend start that process of choosing a niche and just figuring out something that you enjoy doing. So some of you may like working out, so you could do health and fitness, technology, finance, fashion, travel, and a lot of other ones. And the good thing about ClickBank is ClickBank sells digital products. So it's not like anything's going to be shipped to them. This is going to be stuff all online. So I really think that works in our favor because, you know, one of the issues that we face with selling physical products is there could be defects, there could be customer complaints, there could be returns. And so this is kind of streamlining all of that. And I really think that's important here. So, you know, one of the things, like I said, you're going to want to create content, whether it's through a blog, a YouTube channel, any social media like Instagram, TikTok, and we'll talk about how to grow a blog, YouTube, all, you know, later in the channel. So hit that like button, subscribe, or you can even just build an email list and send emails out. I've seen people make thousands of dollars doing that. The next thing here is just content creation. You know, blogging, YouTube, social media. The biggest thing that I would recommend doing is if you're just starting content creation is just be consistent. You don't have to have bangers every single video. You just got to be consistent. It's just like going to the gym, right? If you go to the gym one time, you're not going to get in shape. If you go 2 times, you're not going to get in shape. But the more consistent you are, the more in shape you're going to be. I think that's the same thing for content creation. If you put a video out there, yeah, you know, you might get some views. You may get lucky and have a video blow up, but if you're not consistent, you're not going to make money consistently. And I think that's very, very important. And then just drive traffic to your content. So just share it, right? You use SEO, search engine optimization, use all that stuff. I think that's very, very important. Just actually try. If you want to sell money online, it's not easy. It's like any other job. You just got to put in the work here. Also, you know, track your progress, see what works, see what doesn't work, and, you know, optimize and scale, you know, target different keywords, reinvest into your business. And let's kind of look at here how to get started with ClickBank. All right, so once you get ClickBank up and loaded here, this is going to be kind of how it looks right off the get-go. You'll have the affiliates, you'll have the sellers. So sellers here, if you're actually going to be selling products online, but we are going to be an affiliate. We're going to be kind of like that salesman, like I say. So if you click start here, honestly, what they're going to do is they're going to try to send you to a separate page to possibly have you pay for something. So what I actually would recommend doing is just click log in, because what this is going to do is it's going to bypass all of that stuff and then just click create an account. Go ahead and fill out all this information, as you guys can see, like your first name, your last name, your phone number, email, and then go ahead, do your password and log in. All right, so after you guys log in or create an account, they're going to want to have you complete your profile. What this is going to be doing is filling out tax information. This is going to be telling them whether you're a business or you're a individual or a sole proprietor for tax purposes. So go ahead, go in here and pretty much fill out all that information. So after you guys go ahead and fill out your profile and get that all done, the next thing here that it's going to want you to do is it's actually going to want to have you create a nickname. So we're going to go ahead and go about doing that. So since we're an affiliate, we'll go ahead and do that. We'll just do Carter Farr. And there we go. Since it's available, we'll click sign up. So now we'll have a little nickname there, and then we'll just continue to go ahead and do this. So the next thing here that we're going to see is all of our earnings for this account name. Since we just created it, obviously we don't have any sales with this. So the next thing here is let's just continue to go through this. So this is here your ticket management. So any tickets that have been reported, this is where you're going to actually see this. I really don't pay too much attention to this. So let's just continue to move down here. Transaction management. So if you want to look up any transactions, there you go. We'll have a summary right in here. So let's go ahead and remove this there like such. So this right here will actually show like the top sellers. It'll have your reports, any trends, so you can see what's working. You'll have your gross earnings, and then you also can view it as a seller here, but since we're an affiliate, that's what we care about. The next thing here is we'll just continue to move our way down. So that's our nicknames there. We also will have, the user management. But right here, this is going to be the marketplace here. So we'll actually click next and then take me to the marketplace. So this right here is actually going to be how you find products. So right off the get-go here, if you click top offers, what they're going to show you is pretty much all the top selling products here. And what's cool about this is you actually can click on this and it will send you to their website. So you can kind of get a general idea of what this product is and if it's something that you would be interested in selling. So this looks like a fat loss, energy boost, anti-aging supplement. So maybe if you're like a fitness influencer, this could be the route to go. We'll go ahead and just continue to play around with this. Also, one of the things here that they have is all of these different categories. So if you are into travel, if you are into e-commerce, marketing, or even just general business, they have all of that right there here. So we'll go ahead and imagine that we are a health and fitness company that is looking for some sort of energy. So we'll just continue to see if there is some sort of one that we do find interesting. So imagine if this is the one that we wanted to choose. Also, with this site, you guys are going to want to make sure that you register your affiliate with them. So all you got to do is click get started and then go ahead down here and fill out this information. Click agree and then submit so they can track it on their end so they can approve you to sell their products. So all you got to go ahead to do is click promote. Affiliate nickname, go ahead and find that one that we created. The seller nickname, click continue, and you just want to go ahead and start filling out some of this information here. So let's go ahead, Southern Good. We don't really have to pay too much attention to that, but what's very important here is this link down here. So this link here is going to be pretty much the link that if something gets bought off of this link here, you're going to get a commission for it. So imagine you just paste it into your tab, you click enter, boom. This is going to be how it looks here. So the thing about this here is find something that you've used that you believe in. And I think that's very, very important here. Don't try to be like super scammy or saying, go buy this. Promote products that you actually use and that you actually believe in. Now, one of the things here that I do think is important is something called a gravity score. So a gravity score is a score based on the number of unique affiliates generating sales. So the higher the gravity score is, the better off the product could be or easier it is to sell. I think that's important because it kind of gives you a little sense of, okay, other people are using this. This could be a very, very legit business and, stuff like that. So make sure you just guys look at that as well. But in simple terms, guys, that's pretty much how ClickBank works. Is it's more of a marketplace for affiliates, so you can find products that you've used or maybe even that you just believe in, so you can start selling them on your blog, YouTube, or even TikTok channel. You know, the thing about all of these, like I said, don't be super salesy. Find companies that you believe in. And we, with my I do sell a trading community course. We do have an affiliate program with them, and I think having an affiliate program is very crucial for an online business to survive, because it gives a lot of affiliates a sense of purpose to want to go out and sell products. And I think that's very important, guys. So just be authentic. Don't try to be salesy or scammy. Just be authentic, guys. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and take care.